Sioux Falls couple calls it their dream home, but the city says it's a nuisance and needs to be torn down. The 10,000 square foot mansion was scheduled to be demolished Monday, but for now, that demolition is on hold.
This afternoon, Judge Roberto Lang asked the city to wait 28 days to give him more time to go through evidence and decide whether to grant a preliminary injunction. KELOLAND's Tom Hansen takes us inside the home in question and brings us the details from the federal courthouse.
Lawyers for the owners of this house, Vic and Natalia Strihus, called several witnesses in their efforts to stop the city from tearing down their dream home. Ben Harvey of Harvey Custom Homes has been hired to complete the home and says all that is left is the interior finishes like paint and carpet and flooring. Harvey testified the home has passed around a dozen building inspections since he took over. Sioux Falls realtor Shelley Glosser told the court that her valuation of the home sits at $2.75 million as is, and closer to $4 million when finished. Construction of the mansion started nearly 10 years ago. Now, it stalled in 2015 due to personal and financial reasons. So it sat unfinished and vacant for years, which led the neighborhood to complain and the city to issue fines. The city found it to be unsafe and issued a notice of demolition. Strihus' attorneys say that destroying the house would be an unconstitutional taking of their property. The city says they've given the Strihus more than enough time to complete the house, and the South Dakota Supreme Court supported the city's case. If the legal issues can be ironed out, they hope to move in with their 7 children later this year. Judge Lang noted that tearing down the house would be a waste and urged both sides to consider mediation before the end of the 28-day delay. Tom Hansen, KELOLAND News.
It should be noted that a lot of work has been done on the house since the original circuit court ruling allowing the city to tear it down. The lawsuit names the city of Sioux Falls, city attorney Stacey Koistra, and building inspection manager Neil King as defendants.